2, 1. Okay, I got the hose tapped out. Right, I got the all thread rod right here. I picked a 1/4 inch. Right, turns out the hole was smaller than a 1/4 inch, so I used a 1/4 inch tapped both out. This course threads right in. All I gotta do is find a couple of nuts for it. Right now, I'm just gonna cut it to length. Remember, you're supposed to use eye protection when you do this. Even pressure, you want a straight cut. I believe we have success here, boys. Huh? That's all I do. Huh? Look at that. I believe we do. So let's measure the next one for the other side. Huh? And the old trusty Sharpie. Huh? Let's do it again. This is like, see what I'm doing in a straight line. Eye protection. Don't set the drummer down until it stops spinning. Right, there's another tip for you. Look at that one. Look at that sucker. Let's see if that one threads in. Spin it right here. You chop the hole. Watch me. Still a little hot. And it goes in a good, ½ inch. A little bit past. This one here threads in. Some threads in about the same. Now watch, see now look. Check the vice grip. Right? On the flat part. Here, let's turn it so you can see me a little bit better. On the flat part, at the very bottom, you're going to grab the all thread, but make sure you got a grip on it. Right here. This is the least possible place that you're going to come up the threads. You're not going to get anything this close because it's going to be against the frame. And the back's going to be out here, so turn it in good and solid. Slow and careful, take your time. You don't want to damage the damage you've already done. Remember, this is uneven. Okay, it just stops right there. It bottoms out. Then do the other side. It bottomed out right there. Now, love that dremel. So now we gotta widen the holes. We gotta make. Look at that shit. Man, I'm telling you. Alright, so mark up. You could do it to the back end too if you wanted to make it stronger, but these ones here seem to be alright. I broke one on my red speeder bike. That was like one of the last videos I made of it. So this thing fits. I'm taking out that front derailleur. I am. I'm just gonna, it's fucking getting in my way. This is me, Brian. Right, chopping and rethreading the front engine mount right here. Right, with the all threaded in the 1/4 inch chop. Thank you. So here we are, final mock-up. See, look. Screwed in really good. Worked real well, didn't it? See, look at that. Got me some square nuts, a couple of washers. All I gotta do now is just, take it apart, right? And then when I final assembly, just cut it up about right there with the grinder wheel. See, look at the back one, see? Back one's gonna fit really good. Right, the carburetor's level, right? The fits in just right. Got the line of the engine, right? Got the line of the engine just right. Might be outside just a little bit. Right, the chain line's gonna be good. Right, gee, this motherfucker's gonna be hot right here. Remember, we got bone stock 48cc, 49cc China doll right here. I'm saying, here's the number 201-705 right there. Right, now I'm gonna go eat me some dinner. Then come back. I'm gonna put the CI pack on. Right, if you fit, mock that up right there. See, right now I'm just leaving the engine bolted in right now, mock up. And I'm going to mock everything else up and put it, see how we go from there. Thank you.